How to contact CollectAirs support. Welcome to this quick guide on how to get in touch with our team or find answers to your questions on the CollectAirs platform. First, click on the menu button at the top right of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select About. Under the About section, click on Contact Us to reach our support team. On the Get in Touch page, you'll see a simple form. Choose your request type, like a general inquiry or an inquiry about an aircraft listing. Then fill in your subject, full name, email address, and your message. Once you're done, click Send Message. You can also find our direct contact information, including email, phone number, and location, right here on the same page. Our support hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central European Time. If you're looking for quick answers, our FAQ page is a great resource. We've organized common questions into categories like buying an aircraft, selling on CollectAirs, and security and transparency. Just click on any question to see the detailed answer. Whether you have a specific question or just need more information, we're here to help make your experience with CollectAirs smooth and professional. Thanks for watching.